To make house music in FL Studio 101. Step number 1. Download a software you can make music with, in this case FL Studio. Step number 2. Find a good kick. In this case, go on the left side on the browser channel, and then you can find here the drums, and under the drums mode audio section you can find a lot of kicks. Find a good kick, drag it into the channel rack here, and then install a kick pattern. Step number 3. Go on Splice and download a few samples like bassline, one-shots, hi-hats and claps to use in your future house music production. So with this bassline preset I found on Splice, I used it for this synthesizer and I wrote this little bassline here. Step number 4. Install all the drums, put on every second kick one clap. Add some hi-hats as well. Step number 6, add some vocals. If you are now still struggling, I'm offering one-on-one online coachings where I'm going to teach you house music production in FL Studio more in detail. If you want to find out more now, make sure to message me privately over Instagram. And if that doesn't interest you, make sure to check out my YouTube channel. I have +100 YouTube tutorials. Oh, and make sure to like and follow me for more content.